Okay, me and Zach, we're working on these pheasants today. We've already stripped one out. We're losing the light a bit, and we're sort of tucked in the corner here. We'd be down the orchard otherwise, but it's really windy at the moment, so we're trying to stay out the wind. We've just opened up the cock pheasant. Zach, do you want to just help me here? All we're doing is we're just getting the fingers in, pulling off the skin. It just peels off really nicely. Okay. If you want to use these, there's a quick way of doing it. You just find just above the joint in the leg, in there, and give it a good squeeze. That's it. That's off. Okay. We're just going to pull the skin back. They will peel real easily off. Okay. These birds have been hung for about 4 days. Again, we can just take the neck. Okay. Work the fingers in here. Okay. Just find that neck. Not use that. We use the knife on that one. Okay. So I'll do this just as a bit sharp. Okay, go in here and just take that neck head off. There you go. Now, you want to get your fingers in there and just pull the rest of that skin off. Just feed it off. That's it. Just get your fingers in. Peel it back. That's it. The yellow is actually the fat, on the bird. That's it. Almost there. Pop that to the side. That's waste. Excellent. Okay, then we've got the, obviously it's still got its guts inside. Okay, which we need to clean off. Clean out. There's its legs. Okay, we'll just find its back end of it. Again, just cut that off. Okay, we're going to make a little incision. We're just going to open out here. We don't want to puncture the insides. So we're just going to get the fingers in to the chest cavity. There we go. Get 2 fingers up inside. Feel right up in there. Okay, and then pull. That's it. Out it comes. Yeah, that's the innards out. Okay, a few feathers stuck to it, not a problem. Okay, we'll just check inside, everything clean. Okay, there goes that. Hold on to that. If you want. Your hand underneath, there you go. All we do now is we go in, give them a wash off, clean them back, and you've got your 2 pheasants. Job done.